Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the desktop background wallpaper in Windows 11. So firstly what you have to do is just simply right click on your desktop screen, then just simply click on personalize and make sure that your Windows is activated, because if it is not, it won't work. So after that just simply click on background over here, and the first option that you have is pictures, in which you will be given few default images by Microsoft. So over there just simply pick any one of the images like this, and it will be set as your desktop background wallpaper. You can choose multiple like this. Doesn't matter which one you choose, it will change automatically. Now over here you have few more options. So just simply click on the drop box, and over here you will find solid colors. So just simply choose that, and over here you can just simply choose a color, and that will be exactly your wallpaper, as it says solid color. So just again click the drop box, then choose slideshow. Now if you have a folder on your computer with multiple wallpapers, just simply click on browse and choose that particular folder, and it will show your wallpapers one by one as a slideshow. You can also enable few options over here like shuffle the pictures. So if you enable this particular option, all the images in that folder will be shuffled and will be randomized. You can also change the time duration over here, clicking on the drop box and choosing whichever time you may prefer. You can also change the fit for your image. So if it is currently in fill, you can set a stretch, tile, center or span. Now for the last one, again just simply click the drop box and choose Windows Spotlight. So in Windows Spotlight, the desktop wallpaper will automatically change in few minutes. So that's the personalize option in your background. Now if you want to add a new background or a new wallpaper, what you can do is just simply go to a browser, then just simply search, for example, HD wallpaper, then just simply open any of the websites, then just simply choose any image. So let's say, for example, let's go with this one. So just simply click that and click on the arrow over here, then click on the drop box over here, then choose the size, then just simply wait for a few seconds and choose the location and download the image. Now go to the location. For me it's the desktop. So over here just simply right click on your image, then over here you will find the option for set as desktop background. Just simply click that and you can change the background like that. Now in order to make your background a bit better, just simply again right click, personalize, then go to background, then over here in the choose a fit for your desktop image, as you can see it's currently in fill, just simply choose as fit, and the desktop wallpaper will fit as its original size on your screen. You can also change it to stretch, tile, center or span. For me, I'll just prefer center, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.